When it comes to boosting retail sales, marketing is a key driver. A solid plan is essential for beauty shops, salons, and spas to attract new clients and convert them into buyers. Leverage social media to showcase your retail products. Post about product benefits, share tips, and promote before and after results to engage customers. Use email marketing to promote products. Stay in touch with clients through personalized recommendations and highlight seasonal promotions in your emails. Incorporate in-store promotions and displays to encourage impulse buys. High-traffic product displays near checkouts can significantly boost sales. Partnering with influencers or local bloggers increases visibility. Offering products for exposure can drive traffic to your business effectively. The BNTC Retail Plus program provides customizable marketing tools, making it easy to promote your retail offerings with ready-made templates and promotions.